Hey, what's going on Facebook? I'm Chris Airey, the meteorologist, and this is a special weather statement. Follow me. Okay, now, here's the deal. A mild December, a dry January. So far, this winter we had 0 snow, okay? Possibly subject to change. There is a major storm to possibly hit the northeast coast, mid-Atlantic area, okay, on Friday and Saturday. Now, this is subject to change on the amounts, okay? But as of my chair right now, I'm going for about 4 to 8 inches. 4 to 8, okay? But it is definitely subject to go up, okay? Now, the first thing I want to point out, I want to give a shout out to a homeboy down in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, and his name is Zach Coates. Whoever you are, Zach Coates, that's your shout out to me, to you, okay? He lives in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, okay? But anyway, I have to get to some better things here, okay, besides a shout out. Okay, that's your shout out. But our current date is January 18th, 2016, and our current time is about 3:40 p.m. It's very cold in here, so I'm gonna try to do this thing as fast as I can without freezing to death, okay? It's very cold. Our current temperature is about 24 degrees, okay? Tonight, dropping down to about 14 tonight. 14 degrees tonight, okay? Now, here's the big issue. And low pressure is going to come out of the south. It's out in California. It's heading this way right now. It depends on where that low goes. Everybody's thinking it's going to blow up right off the mid-Atlantic coast. But always remember, it has to stay enough out to sea to where you don't get enough warm air to turn over to rain, okay? It's got to stay far enough out to sea to where it basically brings in those northwest winds as that moisture does come up. Low pressure comes up, throws back the Atlantic moisture, throws it in, enough cold air in place. But that's what's scaring me here. It might not be enough cold air in place, but I mean, temperatures into the mid 30s, but for us to get a big storm like that, it's got to be at least into the upper 20s to low 30s, at least. It looks like it's going to be into the mid 30s or even upper 30s. But it is definitely subject to change. But I am definitely going for a 4 to 8 inch snowfall. 4 to 8 in Baltimore. But it's still too early to really tell. I mean, this could be a possible blizzard. You know, it could be like 12 to 18 inches. You know what I mean? But I'm going on a limb here. My prediction right now is about 4 to 8. That sun angle's a little bit, that sun's like right in my eyes here, but yeah, I'm going for about a 4 to 8 inch. But always remember, you have to have a surface low out by the Ohio Valley that transfers the moisture from the surface low to the upper level low. Now, this is how much snow we had back in 2005 and 2006. Right here. That's it. That's the only snow we had for the entire season in 06 and 05. Now, this was supposed to be just like 05 and 06, but it looks like it may slightly switch around to 96. It depends on how this storm unfolds. A blizzard is definitely possible across Boston, Philadelphia, even Baltimore, Washington. It's still a little bit too early to really tell. Could we get a 2 feet snowfall out of this? Right now, it's not looking likely, but you know, I have to pull up some actual graphics because on the videos that I made about 2 weeks ago, I was predicting a snowstorm in late January. And I even said 4 to 8 inches. So if this is right, I'm absolutely perfect. But like I told you, you have to stay tuned to me and Chris Ruling for more information about this winter storm. Because anything can change in a matter of seconds. If it goes too far to the west, you know what that means. Brings in a lot of warm air. But it looks like it's Going to be right on target, basically going just off the mid-Atlantic coast. So it looks like we're going to get a bullseye here. That's what it looks like, but how much cold air is in place, you know what I mean? And always remember, to have a blizzard means you have to have sustained winds of 35 miles an hour for 3 hours or longer, okay? And visibility is down to less than a quarter of a mile for 3 hours or longer, and at least 2 to 3 inches of snow on the ground or more. That's what a blizzard means, okay? And also, always note, oh, it's cold out here. 1 inch of rain is equal to 10 inches of snow. 1 inch of rain is equal to 10 inches of snow. And that's a wet snow. It depends on the ratio. If it's a dry snow, where temperatures are in the upper teens to low 20s, 20 inches of snow is equal to 1 inch of rain. It depends on the ratio. Okay, so I gave your shout out to Zach Coates in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Okay, it's going to be a complicated forecast. Okay, so tonight dropping down to 14 degrees tonight, very cold. Tomorrow's high about 29 tomorrow. Okay, cool. These northwest winds are killing me right now. I need your likes. I need your comments, because I'm the only one on Facebook that does meteorology, and Chris Rowling. Okay, but please stay tuned to us or other weather media for more information about this storm, how it does unfold. We should know more information at least by Wednesday to how much you're going to get here. Any slight jog to the east or west or even the south, a difference on what you get. Oh, it is brutal. You know what? That was the best one ever. Like and comment this video and watch it and learn something, okay? Oh, that was bad.